Since 1997, VirtualPBX has been delivering powerful communication solutions for small businesses with a focus on excellent customer care. We were the first to provide VirtualPBX services to businesses, coining the term as our company's name. Since 1997, our family of products has grown. Today, we offer solutions for business phone, contact center, AirDial POTS replacement, and messaging. Business Phone is the most reliable digital phone service, packed with robust, fully customizable features to support your business now and grow with it into the future. It's the only phone service your business will ever need. Contact Center lets you masterfully orchestrate your call center communication in real time using a dynamic set of tools, customizable features, robust analytics, and intuitive reporting to help your business interact efficiently and authentically. AirDial is a future-focused, dually redundant, and compliant POTS replacement solution for your critical communications, like elevator phones and fire alarm panels. Lastly, messaging allows you to engage your current and future customers through an intuitive interface you can access online or through the app. At VirtualPBX, we help businesses build relationships virtually anywhere, empowering them to scale smoothly and quickly through a product family and feature suite that meets their unique needs every step of the way. Ready to make the switch? Learn more at virtualpbx.com.